Don't hold back. Oh yeah. Hello guys, Steve here, NRC with my sister again. We got a package from LEB Hobbies. I'll link it below. It's a great slot car shop. We got some, what are they, 143 scales?
Yep.
Alright, we're going to unbox some beauties here for you. Ooh, look at the paper. Alright, let me put this to the side. This is an SCX compact.
That's a new one.
The new one. We never had one of these, so we wanted to give it a try. It has a flag guide. And open them up.
Trust me with the scissors?
We got quite a few in the box here, so. Here's a normal one. We got a few of these. We didn't show them yet. These are the Carrera Goes. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's a small one, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god. I think it's lighted. Yeah, it's lighted.
Here's the difference. This is a Carrera Go, and this one's kind of small for a Carrera. And look at that. It's like almost like an HO car, ain't it? Let me get an HO car. Maybe not.
It's like a little baby. It almost is, just bigger.
Yeah, I guess it's a small car. There's what it looks like. Flag guide. We could give it a little floor on the track here. I don't know if you'll see it, but you'll hear it. Yeah, try it out. Give it a floor. It's got lights. Alright, on to the next one. Man, feel the tires. They feel good. Oh, look at this. Corvette here. Looks like a beauty. This is a Carrera Go. All the rest will be Carrera Goes. Let me open this
That
beauty
beauty's
up.
mine.
Let's see. There she is. Oh yeah, that one's a nice one. Check it out. Looking good. See the difference? These have like a regular HO type pin coming out of there. It doesn't swivel like a flag guide, but they work good. See it?
Sure do.
Let's see the difference between this one. God, that thing's a mini. I could run it on the, look, you could put this on the HO track. You think I'm kidding?
Oh yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Next up. Ooh.
It's a keeper.
Yeah, this one's a beauty. You want to open it up?
Sure.
Don't show them it yet.
Oh gosh. Keep them in suspense.
Oh wait, let me rev up the vet. Oh, wrong lane. Gotta use the other controller. Let's see. Pretty good. I'll put these over here. It's gonna be a mess of plastic trash all over. I think you could have did a little bit better job than that.
It's your wonderful scissors.
I just cut around the whole thing like a U. Are you afraid to scratch it or something?
Of course.
Oh yeah. There it is. The Viper. That's a nice one, ain't it? I don't know. I think I like this one the best so far. Braids need to be adjusted. That's nice. Alright, let's rev it up. Sounds faster than the vet, but sound don't mean nothing. There they are. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, Ferrari
nice.
488 GT3. Let's
Italian.
open this beauty up. Look, here's how you do it. Turn it around like this. And go like that.
I couldn't even get this thing to
Look
pop
at
for me.
that. Us Italians like these. Look at the colors too.
That's nice.
That's a nice one. Beauty. Let's rev it up. Ah, it sounds like a whistler. Next. There you go. You could open up this one. What is it? Don't
I'm not
tell him. Oh.
See if I could do like you did.
We should have time trials. We could open them faster.
I would definitely lose.
Yeah, that seems like 20 years old.
It's terrible.
Oh, that's nice. Porsche. Look at that. Carrera right on the wing. Porsche.
Nice.
That's a nice one. Whoa, them braids are wrecked. Alright, rev it up. I hear a knock in this one. Uh-oh.
I smell a lemon.
Lemon maybe? Never know. Let's put them down. Alright, next up for that is... Oh.
Apparently you want to open that one.
Yeah. Oh, cut my finger off. There's gonna be a mess. Look at that. What was this? The Lamborghini.
That's nice.
Look at that. Nice little beauty here.
I like the color.
Yeah. Bottom on it.
Sharp.
You know what's cool about the Carrera cars? They have the white lettering on all the tires.
It does look nice.
They
Especially
should-
when it's on a track.
They should come out with lights in these ones though. Like how the
Yeah.
big ones have. They could easily make lights. But look at that. That's nice. Let's rev her up. Oh boy, that's a fast one, I could tell. Put her down. Next. This one's nice too. Here you go.
Another nice color.
That's the last one. All these came from LED Hobbies. Check them out. If you're into slot cars, they have a good site. They sell everything. All the bigger scales. I don't think they sell HO, but they have everything in the larger scales. Check out that one.
It's a nice color
That's
too.
the Hulk. Alright. Oh, crap. It's metallic.
Is it?
Yeah, look. It's pearl green.
Oh wow.
Probably can't see it, guys, but it's a pearl green.
Nice.
It's a beauty. Lamborghini. Alright, let's rev it up. Don't hold back. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, that's the unboxing. Here they are. I don't know if I could hold them all. Probably can't. Nope, I can't.
Oh,
Hold
don't worry.
some.
I'll hold the Corvette.
You got that one? I could get this one. Alright guys, there they are. That's our unboxing. Check out LEB Hobbies. Great shop for the larger scale RC cars. Listen to me. For the larger scale slot cars. Whoa.
Good save.
Alright. Check them out guys. LEB Hobbies. We'll see you next time. Please leave a like, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the track next time. Later.
Bye.
Alright, now let's run them.